Hi guys, I know it's been a really long time, but today I'm back and I'm showing you how to do these marble nails. So first things first, what you want to do is polish your 2 coats of gel polish, and then like you can see here, I'm starting off with my first layer of marble. So what I'm going to do is take my French brush and I'm dipping it into some acetone. And then as you can see, I'm just basically water marbling the nail. With this, what you want to do is have a lot of liquid on your brush and then just dab on the nail to give it like this smoky effect. If you don't have acetone, you can also do this with alcohol. It'll work the exact same. So yeah, that's basically it. This is definitely one of the easiest designs that anyone can do. This is definitely beginner friendly. So I'm just showing you how to do it with a black base, and then I'm doing white marble on this. Like I said, you want to polish it, and then you're going to take your brush and then basically spread out the polish that you just did with the acetone. And so the black that I use is black Onyx. The white is, what is it? Alpine Snow. And then this pink right here is Bubble Bath. And then the gray color that I have on my pinky is Smokey Smog by Kiara Sky. So once you're done with your first layer of marble, what you want to do is cure your nails. I didn't cure it for the full 60 seconds just because, I mean, it's a really thin layer of gel polish. So I just cured it for about like 45 seconds. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and do my second layer. So after that's done curing, what you want to do is put the lines on your nails again, and you're going to take your brush, and since this is the second and last marble layer, what you're going to do is create the marble lines that real marbling actually has. Like I said before, marble is not perfect and marble is not the same, so you can do this to your liking as well. I always like to have a reference picture up of some marble of some sort. You can find pictures anywhere on either other nails or even like Pinterest or something. But yeah, so that's basically it. After this, you want to do that to all of the nails. Once you're satisfied with the way your marble looks, you want to cure it for at least 30 to 45 seconds again. And then after that, you're all set. You're ready to top coat. And the top coat I used today was my Valentino Beauty Pure's top coat. This is the non-white that he has. And yeah, that's basically it. You're all done. Thank you guys again so much for supporting me and watching my videos. Also for supporting me with my new online store, which is topcoatbyts.com. If you haven't seen it already, definitely check out the description box down below for any information you'll need on that. And once again, thank you, and I'll see you guys soon.